Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the VLC application to your Android TV, TV box or Google TV. With this method, we'll be using Unlinked, and if you do not have this Unlinked application already, I would like you to check the link in the description below and get the application. When you have it, open it, and I would like you to hit this new library button right here. So when you click on new library, you'll be prompted to type in the library you're looking for. Now I'm typing in everything. This is exactly what you should type in. No space, just everything. And hit the enter button. And now you find this welcome and an enter button below. Click the enter button and scroll down to the application. So going down to media players to the very right, you find the VLC media player there. Click on it to download and you find install app. So once the download is complete, this is what we need. You find install app. So be patient for your download to complete and then hit this install application button and you have the app installed on your Android TV, TV box or Google TV. So if you found this insightful, leave a like, subscribe so you never miss good content like this.